Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCQ Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing SBIN, State Bank of India. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. I can see here SBIN has formed spinning top on weekly chart. So the spinning top high and low will be very important. This high and this low is going to be very important. Now, other thing, I just want to see what was the previous week high. Previous week high was 408.35 and this week high is 407.80. So it's better if I take previous week high for the breakout. Okay, now let's go and check out how this range has behaved whenever prices have entered here. So there's no data as it is an all-time high. Okay, now what next? Guys, in case price closes above 408.35, we can go with the targets 420 and 440 on the upside. And in case price breaches this level, that is 385.55, that's on the lower level, we can expect 375 and 360 to come in. Now let me show you in daily chart as well. It has formed an inside bar. As you can see here, it had a gap up, right? And then this range high and this range low was not broken at all. All these 5 days prices have been trading within this range. And today it had formed a spinning top again here. So above this today's high, for day traders, in case price breaches this high, this today's high, then we can take a long position for a target of 408 max, and above that, yes, you, as I mentioned you can go ahead with the targets. And for positional players, wait for the prices to close above 408, or in case price closes above 400 also, you can take a long position for a target of 408, 419 and 420, 430 and 440. These are the targets what you can maintain on the upside. And price closing below this range, guys, there are good chances prices can cover this gap. You can see for a target of 475 and 460. Right, this is a simple analysis what I have for SBIN. Let's see how SBIN reacts and SBI behaves in the coming week. Thank you guys for watching. I have uploaded all other videos as well. You can go and have a look at it. And in case you have any doubts, drop a comment. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. I'll try to upload more videos like this